custom-built Gulf Highlands home on a large corner lot across the street from a park. This 3-bedroom/2.5-bath home was built in 2003 and has over 1,983 square feet of living space, an open floor concept and split-bedroom floor plan. The sellers recently installed luxury plank flooring in the main living areas of the home, which is not only very durable and waterproof, but extremely attractive. The kitchen is huge with a center island, a breakfast area, and a butler's pantry. Other interior features include bay windows, a wood-burning fireplace, walk-in closets, a deck attic with pull-down stairs, and a 2-car garage. Off the back of the home is a lawn-covered lanai, a privacy-fenced backyard, storage shed and a sprinkler system. As mentioned before, there is a public park across the street ideal for the kids and family picnics. You're also less than 5 minutes from Pier Park, the Frank Brown Park Sports Complex and the beach. This is an excellent home for a growing family. All info is approximately in mu.